If you're a house flipper or an aspiring house flipper, are you investing in a good market or have you heard rumors of a slowing market and have concerns? On today's video, I'll be covering the top 10 best and worst cities to flip real estate right now in 2019. Coming up. I'm Jerry Norton, and ever since flipping houses became popular on TV, Americans have become fascinated with the idea of buying a cheap house, fixing it up, and reselling it for a big profit. And some like me got really good at it. In my mid-20s, I was digging holes in construction for minimum wage in Detroit. Then I learned how to flip houses, and I became a millionaire by the age of 30. And over the past 9 years, I've helped everyday people sell over 100 million in real estate, and this channel is dedicated to helping you become a successful real estate flipper. So if you want to make money right now, not later, not in 10 or 20 years, even 3 to 5 years, but right now so that you can achieve true financial freedom and live your dream life, consider subscribing to my channel. Click the bell icon to get notified when new videos are released. When the last real estate market crashed, many flippers got caught with houses that by the time they were ready to flip them, they lost so much value that they had to sell at a big loss. Now I'm here to help that from happening to you because guess what? Right now, as of this video recording, there is a current slowdown in the housing market with prices actually starting to fall in some cities. If those prices drop too far, too fast, then flippers can lose value on homes even as they're renovating them. Realtor.com just released some very interesting data about where home flipping is up and down. Now this isn't just important for flippers and would-be flippers, it's also a critical factor in predicting where those key markets are heading. So let's discuss the 10 best markets for flipping and then the 10 worst markets. And be sure to stay to the end of this video because I'm gonna share with you the fastest way to make $10,000 in as little as 30 days. So let's start with metro markets where flipping is up the most. Number 1 is Raleigh, North Carolina. Now the city's growing economy and booming tech sector bolster a median home price of $340,000, and year over year home flipping has increased 63%. Now the difference between purchase and sale price is 32%. So what does that mean? That means 32% of the $340,000 median home price gives you a $108,800 gross spread between purchase price and sales price. But remember, in that $108,000 are 3 expenses that need factored in: repairs, closing costs when you buy and sell, and cost of money or carrying cost, which if you ask me, an average gross spread of 32% is pretty tight and it doesn't leave a lot of room for net profit. Okay, number 2 is Charlotte, North Carolina. Now in Charlotte, there's been an influx of businesses relocating there. For example, Honeywell, a Fortune 100 electronics manufacturer, announced that it's relocating its global headquarters to Charlotte. With older homes, relocations like this are bringing people into town who are looking to buy move-in ready homes. The median home price is $323,300, an increase in flips of 42.5%, and the difference between purchase and sale price is 36%. Now, I personally scored huge on a flip in Myers Park, Charlotte, North Carolina. I did a flip that I bought for $175 and I flipped it for $725. That's a 75% spread between purchase and sale, but you should see what I did. Go here and watch the most amazing transformation you've ever seen. Number 3 is Orlando, Florida, because hey, who doesn't want to live near Disney World? Median home price is $300,000. There's been an increase in home flips of 37.1%, and the difference between purchase and sale is 41%. Okay, number 4 is Phoenix, Arizona. Now, in sheer numbers, Phoenix is the house flipping capital of the US, which is why I moved here about a year ago. There are more homes flipped in Phoenix than anywhere else in the US. But beware, it is not for the faint of heart. Phoenix is the big leagues. Finding reasonably priced labor is one of the biggest challenges. So why Phoenix? Well, it continually draws the retirement crowd from all over the country, especially the overpriced coastal areas. The median home price is $330,000. Home flips increased 35.7%, and the difference between purchase and sale price, 36%. Now, number 5 is Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, Vegas was one of the hardest hit cities when the housing bubble happened about a decade ago. Small-time flippers were taken to the cleaners when home prices tanked and mass foreclosures ensued. But with home prices in Vegas rebounding, flippers are back at it. The The median home price is $320,000, an increase in home flips of 33.7%, and the difference between purchase and sale price, 38%. The rest of the top 10 metros seeing the biggest uptick in house flipping are Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Houston, Texas, Providence, Rhode Island, Atlanta, Georgia, and my old stomping grounds, Detroit, Michigan. All right, now let's take a look at the cities where the fix and flip crowd is taking a breather. Number 1 is Columbus, Ohio. Now, having been in the spotlight for some time as one of the hottest markets, it's starting to cool down. Part of the issue is declining inventory. It's been a flipping haven for some time now, and there just isn't as much opportunity, so flippers are moving on. The median home price is $230,000, an increase in home flips of negative 18.8%, and the difference between purchase and sale price is 36%. Number 2 is Cape Coral, Florida. Hurricane Irma really hurt the market and home values have fallen 3% over the past 12 months following Irma. The median home price is $299,100, an increase in home flips of negative 14.4%, and the difference between purchase and sale price, 40%. Number 3 is Virginia Beach, Virginia. For a long time, flippers looked to rehab homes in desirable areas along the beach that could either be sold right away or rented to the 20 million annual vacationers, but now it's cooled off. Median home prices are $279,100, an increase in home flips of negative 10.6%, and the difference between purchase and sale price, 60%. Number 4 is Riverside, California. Now, the past 5 years or so saw big home value increases, but that's slowed down quite a bit, recently scaring off many flippers. The median home price is $387,000, an increase in home flips of negative 10.6%, and the difference between purchase and sale price, 37%. Number 5 is Portland, Oregon. After years of price hikes, Portland's housing market is finally coming back down to earth, and many flippers are waiting for further drops. Median home prices is $453,100, an increase in home flips of negative 10.4%, and the difference between purchase and sale price, 37%. The rest of the top 10 metros seeing the smallest uptick in house flipping are Seattle, San Diego, Sacramento, Richmond, Virginia, and Miami, Florida. Now, if you live in a market that isn't ideal for flipping, maybe it's a rural area or it's highly competitive or whatever, and you'd like to flip houses in another market from where you live, be sure to watch my 3 video series to learn how to flip houses in another state. I put together a playlist and you can watch that here. So there you have it, the top 10 best and worst cities to flip houses in 2019. And I'm glad you stayed to the end of this video because I've been fixing and flipping houses all across the country for years, and I'm looking for more deals. In fact, I have a finder program where I'll pay you $10,000 to find and submit deals to me. I'm holding a free web training class where I'll show you everything you need to know to get started as a finder for me. Just go to getmy10kcheck.com or just click on the link in the description. And if you want to make more money in less time flipping houses so that you can live your dream life, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to get notified when new videos are released, and I'll see you on the next video. And I want to tell you congratulations.
Thank you,
Good
Jerry.
job.
Really appreciate
and
it.
here's your check.
Oh, thank you so much. That's glad. I'm really glad.
There it is.